Hey guys, today we're gonna make the most famous dish in any Mexican restaurant, fajitas. Let's make it from scratch and let me show you how to make the best marinade ever. Fajitas meat is not a very tender meat, so it benefits a lot from a good marinade, and that's what I'm gonna show you how to do. And for all the ingredients and all the amounts, please look in the description box below. I add the garlic, the onion, the chipotle chili, the guajillo chili, the jalapeños, the jarred red pepper, and I let the food processor work its magic. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna add the vinegar, the oil, the spices, and a juice of 2 limes and 1 lemon. I'm gonna add to that my pepper mix and a little bit of water. And that's the marinade. I clean my skirt beef from all extra fat and I drop it in the marinade, no less than 24 hours. The vegetables are ready. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, paprika, chipotle chili, a little bit of garlic powder, and a drizzle of vegetable oil. I set the meat on a kitchen paper towel to drain a little bit while I heat my griddle. I'm gonna place the vegetables on medium heat, but on the highest heat for the meat. I set the griddle for the highest heat that I can get. You can also grill your fajitas outdoors. It's totally up to you. I drizzle with oil and let it cook on very high heat until desired temperature. Medium to medium well is a good temperature to cook your fajitas, but if you like it more well done, it's a preference thing. I adjust the salt and the pepper, and I let it rest before slicing it. I cut it into 2 pieces and I slice it against the grain, just like so. If you like your fajitas to be more well done, You can either put it on the griddle after you slice it, or cook it a little bit more before you slice it. It's totally up to you, and both ways work very well. You're looking into slicing your beef fajitas into thin slices and against the grain, like I said. And the fajitas are ready, and they taste so good and they're so juicy from all the marinade. Now you can enjoy your fajitas on a taco. You can crisp it up, you can eat it soft, you can add to it some guacamole, cheese, peppers, whatever toppings you want. And I'm gonna show you in other videos how to make guacamole from scratch and salsa from scratch. If you follow all the steps, your fajitas are gonna be awesome and everybody's gonna love it. Until we meet again, bon appétit!